Telehandler Forklift Operation Part 1. Drive and speed, also known as a boom lift, telescopic handler, or forklift. Vehicle-mounted equipment with a boom that may extend forwards and upwards. Accessories can be attached to the boom's end. Forks, bucket basket, or a winch need to drive it must be licensed and registered. The most appropriate category is an agricultural vehicle, which entitles you to a free tax disc. However, this will restrict its use on the road for agricultural purposes. So whether you're bale carting, hauling fertilizer, or going to a grain store to load a lorry, this is okay. However, if it's engaged in construction activity, even though it's a farm building, you're theoretically in violation of an agricultural use license. The maximum speed is 20 miles per hour, which is the same as most fixed-axle tractors and agricultural vehicles. For more information about heavy equipment and safety, Interstate Heavy Equipment can help you. Call us today at 469-370-7501 or email us at info@interstateheavyequipment.com.